So, when you get these, see that nail or screw coming out on a stud? You put a screw right next to it, and then backing this one out for short. These are what I put in. These are like 1.25 inches. The ones I put in are 1 5/8. I don't know why. Screws are backing out. I've seen that with nails, but not with screws before. This is the first time I've seen that. But put a screw in. I'm just gonna fill that, patch that. I'm patching a bunch of stuff in this bathroom. We're about to paint it. Probably shiplap the ceiling, but redo it in here. All right, peace.